boy gets down at the station, firstly he feels lonely. He finds nobody to help him, and there's like physical exploitation is there at the station, mental exploitation is there, and sexual harassment is there. These kind of challenges boys faces at the station. He's anxious, and dealing with the curiosity and anxiety is also kind of challenge which child has to deal with. There are so many reasons for runaway. The first very important reason in India is the poor economic condition of the family. Basically, boys are coming from the backward places or villages. They want to earn money, and family is pressurizing them to earn money. So they have a pressure of earning money. And the second is the family disintegration. There are many children, those who are staying alone, those who have only single parents, step parents, and some boys are coming to see the Mumbai. Some boys are coming to meet their heroes because Bollywood is in Mumbai. City attraction is there. Some boys are coming in the failure of studies. They have failed in 10th standard, they have failed in 12th standard, and they are not able to face their families. These are the reasons for which boys are coming to Mumbai. They have very high expectation because they have seen a very good picture of the Mumbai in movies, or they have heard good things about the Mumbai, which is not true. They have come to Mumbai to earn money. They think there are a lot of opportunities in Mumbai, which is not true. There are so many hardships which they have to face. So their expectations are very high, but they are not able to reach their expectations. We are children who are coming to Mumbai, they are basically from the age group of 12 to 16 or 18. This age group is very attracted to the negative things. If family is explaining, if family is supporting us, or they are making us understand the particular thing is not good for us, in that age boy is not ready to understand. They feel whatever they are thinking, whatever they are doing is right. Saathi is basically working for the street children and street youth, and we are for their rehabilitation. We are running so many programs. Like for boys, we are having shelter, we are providing their home placement, we are doing their restoration. And for the youth, we are having the project like youth intervention program, where we are providing them vocational training, or we are putting them in some jobs. We have a child line which helps us tracing the family. Then we have a local police station. Sometimes parents lodge the complaint of their missing children. So police helps, local police helps us. Then other local NGOs, they help us in tracing the families. Tracing the family, first we have to gather every information of the boy during our counseling sessions. After gathering the information, then we start our family tracing, like his family business, his family member's name, everything. The Saathi does regular follow-up, ensure that whether child is with his family or not. We do either through the letters or through the phone calls. If the phone numbers are available, we talk on the phones. Then sometimes the personal visit of staff is also done for the follow-up, just to know the situation of the boy. As you have seen, group activities, individual activities, then recreational activities, and the counseling is also a very important part of our rehabilitation process. We do individual counselings to gather as much as information from the boy, and this information helps us to family tracing and everything. We cannot sympathize with the child. We have to work with the empathy. We cannot sympathize, oh, what happened to you? Like, we cannot have a sympathetic attitude towards the child. We have to be a relationship of trust between the child and the counsellor. We have to maintain that relationship. If we are able to maintain that kind of relationship, then we can make the person realize about his mistakes. And after making him realization about his mistakes, then we can work further. And we can give options according to his problems. And now it's up to boy to choose whatever option he wants to choose. The family is a very strong institution. Family gives emotional support to the boy. Family gives boy learns traditional values, beliefs from the family only. And the emotional support which is given by the family is always helpful for the boys in development in his life. which other NGOs with other person or other organization cannot kill.